There's a lot of spirits on this property. There's a lot. Here we go. Look at that. He said it was something big. It's an old hoe. Honestly, that's a pretty good one too, because it's got, like, sometimes
Still
we
got
just
the
find
ring for
pieces
the-
of it.
Yeah.
Hey, that's shaped like a heart. Look at that. That's cool. Nice.
Do you want to keep it or do you want to leave it for an artifact?
Someday I want to keep all these kind of things, but I have no place to put them. Where am I going to display it? It's cool though.
We'll put it in the thing.
Shaped like a heart.
We'll put it in the pile.
Oh my goodness. He's been at this for about 10 minutes.
That's some sort of weird.
What is that?
I don't even know.
Boy, I don't know.
Some sort of weird spike or something?
Yeah.
Or I don't know either. Kind of in a peculiar spot.
Yeah, I mean, it's like really very sharp down here.
I mean,
I can't tell the top.
Excuse me. I mean, I suppose it could be. I don't know.
That's interesting. Huh.
I don't really know.
Well, it's a thing. It's something.
It's not a shotgun shell.
Nope, it's not a shotgun shell. He said that if it was a shotgun shell, he was going to flip out.
Well, I just
You had to
said
work
that
for that
it's
one.
gonna beep.
We didn't film all that because that was like a good 10 minutes just to get to it.
Such an intricate thing of roots down here that
He's having to work with this one.
this is a shotgun shell. Be ready to
Yeah,
bleep
he's
that
gonna
out.
fling the.
Bleep, 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 bleep. I'm just kidding.
Oh my gosh. So this is an example of where you could take up 30 minutes just filming the 10 minutes it's going to take for him to get to this signal. Steve's digging for this one. A little while ago, I heard a whistle from back there. And there's a man back there. I feel like there's workers back there working the land. But I can't see him clearly to...
With a piece of nail.
Huh. Here we thought we were just going to come out and try, and we've been out here all day, which is nice. He's still in that vicinity of the buckle and the nails. Got you. find a button.
I think we moved it.
Let's find a button. What is that?
Part of
Piece
a
of
hinge.
something.
Part of it.
With a hole in it.
It looks like a brass or copper part of a little intricate hinge to me.
Huh.
See what I mean?
Yeah. Wonder what it went to.
Treasure chest.
Isn't that cute?
Some sort of little box or something. Jewelry box. Something like that. Signal,
So there he found the buckle over here, which is the break, kind of a break in the stone wall. This is where he found the square nail. And he's in the same spot. Which could be more nails, but it also is definitely showing that there was something here. And you don't find pieces of pottery out in the middle of the woods for no reason.
it's another piece of a ox shoe.
Really?
Broken one.
A little one. Say. Okay. Pretty cool. So potentially with that nail, a square nail, did they use those for
Yeah, that could have been.
That shoe?
Yeah, could have been. Probably was where the shoe was there. It probably,
So square nails they used for anything that they needed to make.
Yeah, when they nailed the shoes on the oxen or the horses, they used square nails. Actually, that
Okay.
did look kind of like one because it was kind of very pointy, which the building ones had more of a square end on them.
Yeah.
And they probably would prefer a sharp one for the